Hi guys, today I want to show you how to solve a Rubik Cube. As you can see, Rubik Cube have faces, so you have different colors and stuff like that. The colors might differ between different Rubik's Cubes, but usually they stay consistent. So you have blue, red, green, orange, white and yellow. And this is very important because they will be opposite to each other. So white will be opposite to yellow each and every time, red will be opposite to orange each and every time, and same goes with the blue and green, opposite to every side. So first thing we need to do is have a look on faces. So the middle parts will define your whole face. They cannot be moved in any direction, they can be only twisted. So this means that they will always be opposite each other. So the green will be opposite blue each and every time, cannot be different. Corners cannot be moved in different position than other corners. As you can see, there is no physical face here or here, so they will be always in a corner. The middle parts as well can be only in the middle, so they can be here, 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 not in the corners, definitely not in the middles. They can be as well twisted, but they cannot be moved in different position than the middle. Now let's talk about faces, how they are called. So this will be your front face, this will be your top face, back face, down face, right face and your left face. So if the notation is R, you have to turn right face clockwise. If it's B, it will be RI, it's one turn counterclockwise. So for example, it will be F, it will be front clockwise, FI counterclockwise. It goes with all the faces. So this is R, F, L, T, B and D. Alright, to solve the Rubik's Cube, obviously you have to be dismounted. Alright, now when the Rubik's Cube is ready to be solved, we need to choose which face we want to make right first. I encourage you to choose white one at the beginning, because then you have the sticker. Usually you have the sticker in the middle, so it's kind of easier to navigate and stuff, and then it's always better to remember that the yellow will be on the other side. You can obviously choose any other color, random color, whichever you like to choose, and speedcubers are always colorblind, so whatever face they will start with, just go with it, but I encourage you strongly to start with white. Anyway, so you have to make a cross here, so there also will be white cross here, and I have to match those centers. So let's find our first candidate. There you go, white and green. So at the first one we just need to turn it over, and it's white. It's not green. Let's find a green. Yep, it's here. Let's move it, and it's green. White, green. Now let's find, we have another one. Yeah, we don't need to worry about the corners yet, just pay attention to the middles. There is a blue white one, but if we turn it, white, but then it's orange. So there are a few ways you can what you can do now. You can just go 180 degrees. So now our white is on the bottom. Find it. Where's the blue one? Yeah, it's here. Twist it so it's beneath it, and then 180 again. Now it's in the right position. Now there you go, we have another one. So you can do actually a very similar thing here with the red one and a white one. Let's see. Actually, let's do something else. Let's just put it into the place where it should be, but it's wrongly orientated. If I'm gonna twist it 180, it will be in the right position, but it will be twist it wrong. We have to twist it around. What we can do is put it to the side. Now move whole top to the right position. Remember that we want this to be here. So we're actually gonna move this one, move left side, and then turn it back, and now it's in the right position. It might be confusing at first, but you will get a grip of it. And let's find the last piece. It's already on the bottom, so what we're gonna do is find the orange one as well. White, orange, orange. But you don't want it here, you want it actually here, so just 180 again. Now you have a cross, so it's cross on the top. Don't worry about the corners yet, and matching colors here. This is the most important part. Now after we solve the cross with sides in the right positions as well, we need to solve the corners. You can see here that this corner seems to be in the right place. It's white, the face is white, it's supposed to be white, but now you can see that actually it's not in the right place. This corner should be here, so orange, orange, blue, blue here, and obviously white here. So that's why when you solve the cross, you shouldn't pay attention to corners whatsoever, because even when they might seem to be alright, they probably aren't. If you are lucky, they might be, but doesn't really matter. Alright, let's start with the first one. Here we have white, the top is here, we look for the white, yeah, it's white. Let's have a look on his other sides. So it's green and orange. Let's find green, it's here, and orange, it's here. So this piece will definitely go here. You can hold the finger on the piece you are thinking about. So just move it beneath the place where it's supposed to be. So you want this here, and obviously this will go here. So what do? Face it just beneath the place where you want it to go. Go away with it. Take the whole face down. Come back with your piece, and then put it back in the place. And now it's in the right place. And you can do with all the others. So here's another one. What else we have here? Red and green. So you have put your finger on it and look for red and green. So it had to be here. So now what we do? Put it back. Now you are facing it. And go away. Come down. Get it back. And put it into place. Now this cannot be here. It's in the wrong place. It should be here, and this should be here. What we do now is just taking this down. So get it down, move it from the original place, take this back. Now it's down. So happens to be that it's in the right place already. So now we can see it. We want it here, the piece is here. So we go away, come back with the piece, and we come back. Happens to be that this corner was in this place. So as we put this corner in its right place, the other corner had to go away somewhere, and it's here on the bottom. What we do, we put it back in the place. We go down. Our face is here. Our side is here, and our corner now it's here. So what we want to do is to escape with it somewhere. For example, here I might go here. Now we're gonna be here. Doesn't really matter. Anywhere except on this axle, which will be moving. So now we move it back. It's already on the place. Let's put it beneath the place where we want to put it, and same thing again. Get out, get down, get back, and all goes back. And now we have a T everywhere. And whole first first layer is already solved. After we have the first layer, we want to make a second layer. So only thing what is need to be done is fill the gaps. What we need to do is find the middle piece. Remember that middle piece will be always in the middle, so we need to find a middle piece which doesn't contain bottom color. How do we find, if you don't remember which one is bottom, just have a look on the middle of your top, which is obviously white, and then have a look on the middle center piece on the opposite side, which is yellow. So find any corner which is without any yellow. For example, this is blue and yellow, won't work, but this is blue and orange will work. What you need to do is move this blue to a blue face. Now you have like a big T, and when you have this big blue T, you have a look what is on the bottom, which is orange. Now you find your orange, not here, so you have to be here. So what you want to do is put this over here, and this is the first move you have to memorize. So to do it, you have to move the bottom away, put the right down, move it away, bring it back, bring down back, twist the front face, put it back, and turn it back. Now it's already in the position. Alright, we're gonna do it again so you can memorize it better. Just find another piece which doesn't contain yellow one. It's actually already in the place. So green, red on the bottom, red to the right. So you do it again. Send it away, put it down, send it away, get it back, get bottom back, twist the front face, get it back, and put the whole thing back into place. Alright, we still have some work to do. Orange. You have orange and green. So get it back in place. Green is here, green. So let's just do it again. So this go out, this go down, this go out again, this comes back, down comes back, the whole front face moves, this goes into place, and the whole thing just gets back. Now we have almost done, just one piece left. Blue and red. Bear in mind that now what we done was always missing part was on the right, now it's on the left. So what you have to do is basically the same but reverse. So go away in a different direction, go down, different face, rather than right, use the left, go away again, go back with the bottom, twist again, go back, put the front face back, and you're done with the whole second layer. To solve the last layer, what we need to do, we need to perform the same algorithm over and over until we're gonna get a yellow cross over here. Actually, this is half done. Let's imagine that there's something else here. There you go. Alright, so you have your white here, your both layers set up. So most of the time your white layer was on the top. Now you have to reverse it and your yellow layer will be on the top. So what do? Is just to repeat and repeat the same algorithm until you get a cross around here, and the algorithm goes like this: front, top, right, and now it kind of goes backwards. So top, counterclockwise, right, counterclockwise, and front, counterclockwise. Now you have the line. So you put the line that's horizontally to you, and you repeat the same algorithm. Now imagine that here is something else. Now you have like an L here. Doesn't matter what others, just you have to have this L. And so you put the L so it's in this corner, and you do the algorithm again. So front, top, R, front, right, this. Now when we have a cross, we need to do a different algorithm, which goes right, top, go back, top, right, twice, and go back. Now we have a cross. So when we have just plain cross, we need to find the face without any yellows around here, and you just do it again. So right, top, right, top, right, double top, and go back. Now we have like a fish. So I like to call it a fish because here you have like a tail and there's a body. And now you can have two different scenarios. When there is no yellow here, this means that you just have to do it again, and then you're gonna end up with a fish again, but with the yellow here. So after you have a fish and a yellow here, you just do the same algorithm again, and your top is already done. Now when your two layers are done and your bottom one, yellow one, is almost done, the last part is just to finish this ring and we are all done. First thing you need to do is to set up the corners. And to do that, you have to use an algorithm again and again until all the corners will be in the right place. I actually find this algorithm quite difficult to remember, and I will show you how to do it. So make sure that the yellow is on the top. Doesn't matter where do you start when they are not matching. Neither of the corners is matching. So you just face it towards you. Just move this towards you. Do this. Move twice. Get back. Get back. Move this down. This goes twice. And just 180. Now, one of them should be matching. So those two are matching. So you put it on the matching side. It actually doesn't have to be on matching side, but that makes it easier to remember. And you have to put them away from you, so they are on the other side of the cube, and you actually do the same thing again. So move this, move the back, go back, turn this, move back, and move this twice, 180, and now all the corners on the right place. So when you put them, corner, corner, corner. And the last phase is just to swap those in pieces, and for that we're going to use a different algorithm which looks like this. So one is already solved, so we're going to put it on the back. And this algorithm where you will just swap this to this, this to this, and we'll make this triangle. And to do it, you have to put this front 180, move this, those goes down, 180 again, those goes back, this goes in its place, and the front goes 180 again. And you perform this move once more. So 180, move this towards you, spin those down, 180, this goes back, turn this around, and the last 180, and the cube is done. Thank you very much for watching. Practice your cube skills and make sure that you're going to be faster and faster. My personal record with this method is 2 minutes 10 seconds. If you are bored with just plain old cube, start to move the middle side and you'll get patterns. What I mean is just middle side or just both sides on in the same time, and the patterns will occur as you can, and as you will see in a minute. There you go. See, the key move the middle. This cube doesn't really want to be so flexible, so move both sides at the same time and you get patterns. If you're gonna play around a bit more, you get a more interesting patterns, different patterns. Just remember to move both sides at the same time, or the middle side. Alright, that's basically it.